So to add Edpuzzle pieces to your materials, you're going to go to Add Materials. You're going to go to Edpuzzle. You would have already linked your Edpuzzle accounts. So this is my account. It has some folders there, and I have some videos that I haven't put in folders yet. And I'm going to add this video right here. When you hover over it, it has to go to the little eye that says watch, and that's what you click. And then you scroll down and you hit assign. I am going to prevent skipping, and I am going to turn on closed captions, and then hit assign. Now, after your Edpuzzle is placed into whatever folder that you want, you're going to have to go to the little wheel. You're going to have to edit it, and then you have to click enable grading for it to link your grade books together. When you do this, as soon as people have submitted this assignment, you're going to be able to go in there and grade it if it's short answer questions, or if it's multiple choice, then it will grade itself and it will automatically go into your Schoology grade book. So you enable grading. You can give it a due date if you want to, category. I have a participation and practice category, so anything that I want parents to see or the kids to see feedback that isn't going for an actual grade, this is the only way I've been able to have it show in the grade book. If you put it as ungraded, it will never even show in the grade book and the kids can't see their feedback. So I put it on participation and practice, which I've set to a 0%. I'm going to save changes. And then as soon as you click that link, it's going to automatically take them to their Edpuzzle. And as soon as students answer these, then I can grade them by student or I can grade them by question.